All right, so I have this new process set up where you should just be able to click on this link and it will take you to a new Smartsheet report. And everything on this report needs to have a purchase order generated. The delivery date is already in here. And so anything that's here needs to have a purchase order generated. So same thing, we'll do this process once for each order. We need to determine the house plan type, and I've got the project profiles listed here so you can quickly reference what house plan type it is. So this is a Plan C. So we would go to this Plan C order sheet here. And we want to find the specific tab for this purchase order category. In this scenario, we're looking for the framing roof material package, framing roof. So down here we have the framing tab, and we have framing material floor, framing material wall, framing material roof. Right here is what we are looking for. And there are no formula cells here. So these blue cells would indicate that there's a formula involved and that you need to fill out this data here. But this section has no formulas, so there's no data needed to input. So you can we'll zoom in. Let's see here. We'll zoom in on this section and then take a screenshot. And the reason we zoom in is so that it's not fuzzy and blurry when it gets sent to the purchase order sheet. All right, so we took the screenshot. No data was required, but if there were, we would input the data at the top and then screenshot the block of cells and save the screenshot for the next step. So next, we are going to create the actual purchase order for this, and we do that using this purchase order template link right here. It pulls up this purchase order. We can go ahead and delete the previous data that was in there. And then we want to select everything for this particular job here. So we want to select the company, and this is from the prefix on the job name. So in this case, it's JZ on the job name right here, JZ. So we would select 2020 Builders as the company here. And then the job name, we would match that up. 398 Cedar. And for some reason, this block of cells, oh, there it goes. It just takes a little bit of time. We want to make sure that this delivery location changes to match the job name. In this case, it took a little bit of time, so we need to make sure that this has time to update. It's pulling from this list right here. So we need to make sure that matches up. That's the job name. Payment method, this should just stay like this. We're not changing this very often. So it's will be pretty much standard that this will be HD commercial. And then material category based on the line in Smartsheet. So these should match exactly. Order framing roof package right here. So we want to change this category right here to framing roof right here. And then again, the time window, this will not change very often. Right here, 10 to 2. And then we'll set the delivery date. So right here, 3/9/21. 3/9/21. Then we're going to insert the screenshot that we took in the previous step right here. Insert, let's see, you might have to do it from right here. There we go. Insert image over cells. And we'll input the screenshot that we took earlier. And then we just want to adjust this to fit. Resize image to fit on page, and then we're going to download this to a PDF. So file, download as PDF. Make sure everything fits there on that one page. And we're going to name the file based on the job name, which is Cedar 398 framing roof. All right, so here's our PDF. We'll rename it Cedar 398 framing roof. And then we're going to repeat all these steps for each project. Well, before we repeat the steps, we'll take that one PDF and we'll upload it right here. All right, so once that paperclip icon shows up, that attachment is done. So we want to go ahead and upload each PO, and then we'll repeat the same process for all purchase orders on this list. And then when you're done, you'll merge them all into one PDF. You'll upload that merged file right here. And then when that's complete, that file has been uploaded, then you will send this email here once you're complete. And that's our new process. Let me know if you have any questions.